So
we are best friends here for a drunk makeup tutorial.
We've already been drinking. We've had what? The white wave. We've had a glass of wine and this, but now that we're older.
Now that we're older, we're a little more
Lightweight. Okay.
It's fine.
Would you think it would be like the opposite?
But it's really not.
No.
So okay, I'm gonna
tell them what we're doing.
We're both gonna do our makeup on camera. This is my best friend Jackie, and my name's Kaylin. So, welcome, Thomas. Welcome back to my.
Can you spray that on me?
Yes. This is Mario Badescu facial spray.
Ooh.
It feels really nice.
That does feel fair.
Alright, let's do this. Oh, I didn't even want my beauty blender.
Hey, everybody.
Welcome back to
It's my swamp now. I'm kidding. This is so Kaylin's swamp.
It is definitely. This is my swamp. Did you ever see that tweet on Twitter? It's like that girl like jamming out to the song. It's like me driving my kids to school in 10 years or something.
I don't know.
Imagine what kids will be listening to.
Dude, I don't even know if kids will talk. Like, do you think kids will have any social interaction?
Dude, I don't even know.
No more?
Yeah. Load it up. My skin's dry.
So it's gonna make you look like very shiny at first. But
Okay.
when you go under, like over it, it looks
I look good.
Yeah. It's very shiny at first.
I look like a grease spot.
Hello.
Hey guys. Oh, wow. This is pretty shiny.
I told you.
You kind of like it though. Feels good.
It just looks so dewy when you like.
It does.
Like that.
It's really dewy.
It's like I just ran a marathon.
Yeah.
So we were watching like vlogs. we were watching like makeup tutorials, like drunk makeup tutorials before this, and there was a few that we just didn't like. But then,
One in particular.
yeah. But then there
It's
was
fine.
yeah.
There was a lot that were really funny. We're already starting out with the tea. We're already starting with the tea. I kind of want to use this one. Oh no, I don't. I want to use.
I think
I don't know. What do I want to use? What do I want to use? Maybe I'll use some of this.
Right next to that Bible, but I
hope you have makeup wipes.
I do. Right here.
Might need that.
I'm gonna use this. L'Oreal True Match. Still recording. Yeah. I wish I could put my ring light behind my desk, because then it would be way better lighting on this one.
Can you? How sure can it get?
I don't know actually. I might be able to actually put it on the desk. Let me try.
I just wanna hit and run like I ain't got insurance.
Damn lighting. It's kind of like it looks like a demon video. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, that's so much better. Oh, I woke up in a.
Do you ever wake up and feel like a lumberjack just like motorboated your face all night?
I mean, yeah, actually, especially in the winter time. I don't think we can be G-rated or PG-rated.
No way. I'm like, no. It ain't happening.
I have like no lips.
Me either.
I want lip injections so bad.
What? You look so fine. What are you talking about? Figure listen up. And then there's like, there's some really weird people. I'm sorry, I'm so mean.
Oh. Oh, she's feeling herself.
I mean, you know, if you feel yourself,
if you feel yourself, just do it.
We're not gonna be negative.
I'm gonna edit this a lot. It's fine.
Take all the embarrassing parts off. That's not fun, I guess.
Yeah. We're gonna have like 1 second of footage.
It's gonna be like, hi guys, we're doing a drunk makeup tutorial.
Yeah.
Here's the finished product.
Oh, I forgot. I'm like not even drinking.
Oh. I mean, boop.
Boop. That was your phone, I think. Was it? Or was it mine? Oh no, it was my computer. Actually, can I try your tattoo pencil? Actually.
Yeah.
Oh God, we're going to get mixer, then coming back. Should I tell them to get limes too?
No,
Okay.
we shouldn't because then we're gonna do shots. Do you like these? Do you
The
like
Cabral?
this? Yeah.
Yeah, I actually do. Except my brush is really ruined. But yeah, I like the Cabral. That one's probably too light for you, but
Yeah. I was gonna buy it. I have a $25 gift certificate to Sephora. And
You do?
Yeah, I really wanted to do something with the brows, but I got them tinted. Now I just feel like
I would say get that or either this. Whatever one's cheaper, because they're pretty much the same exact thing. That's the Anastasia one.
Oh really?
Yeah. I don't know what one's cheaper. I think one one's a couple bucks cheaper.
Okay, I'll have to look into it. I just have this ratchet Milani eyebrow palette. I've had this for so long.
I have an elf one.
I love it though. Like this is all I use, and it's great. I'm not even gonna lie.
It looks good. You have like a little brow highlight in there too.
Yeah, and you have brow 1 for you.
Yeah,
Brow
that's
2
nice.
for me. I honestly love it. My sister uses it, and her brows always look slick. Allie, if you're watching this.
Allie,
What's up?
where are you at though? I love drinking. I loved listening to this song in high school, even though I didn't drink or do anything.
Story.
So the first time I acquired alcohol, guys, I asked this kid to get me some UV blue, and he asked me how much I wanted, and I said, I don't know, enough for 2 people. He's like, well, they have a $7.50 and a handle. So what would you
At the
want?
time, what did you know about alcohol?
I knew nothing about alcohol, so I had no idea how big a handle was. So I was like, a handle's fine, trying to act like I knew what I was doing.
And
then I paid this kid $40, which a handle of UV blue is probably like $20.
Or 17.
Yeah, so I tipped him like $20 and he didn't say anything. Got drunk off like 2 shots of it, so.
I think that the first time, I don't even remember, but I think that the first time I drank alcohol was at UConn with my ex-boyfriend, but he had to go to a meeting, so he brought me to the girls across the dorm. He was like, here, babysit my girlfriend, basically, and I was like, okay. So then she was like, hey, do you want some like cran vodka? And like I was like, sure.
Yeah, that's literally how we talk.
Literally, and she filled me up. You know, like the red Solo cups, how there's like the little like edge right at the bottom. She filled me up with that much vodka. And then the rest of cranberry, I was like, oh my god, I'm drinking like a cran vodka. Like this is cran vodka. Yeah. And then, I mean, my ex came back from the meeting and was like, how are you? And I was like, I'm drunk. And I wasn't.
But you thought you were.
I probably
That's how
was.
I thought I was drunk the first time I drank, and I think most of it was just placebo faking it.
Well, because you like, I mean, think about it. Like, as a kid, you're like, I've never had to deal with anything like this.
I've never drank alcohol, yeah. So I don't know how fast it's supposed to work.
Exactly, so
that's what happened there.
And then there was this one time that Caitlin and I drank.
Yes. We got drunk off a 6-pack of Mike's Hard.
I got from my friend Michael, which we don't have to bleep out because I love him.
Oh, I miss him.
We went to breakfast, right? And I was like, I don't know why I asked him, but I asked him, I was like, hey, can you get alcohol for Caitlin and I? And he loved Caitlin. And he was best friends with me.
Yeah.
And so he was like, yeah, like, sure. And I was like, great, we're the same age. Like, and you remember, like, when we were in high school and, like, the first couple years of college, like, alcohol was, like, a gold. It was, like, a delicacy because we weren't, like, I mean, at least I'll speak for myself. I wasn't, like, a cool kid. People weren't, like, begging to buy me alcohol. Like, I feel like some people do. Like, I feel like some people are like, yeah, like, I got alcohol at age 12. Like, because guys liked me. I was like, no way. No. My ex-boyfriend wouldn't even buy me alcohol. He was like, yeah, no.
Nope.
So, we went to breakfast, and so nonchalantly, I, like, paid for breakfast, and then he just was like, here you go. And I was like, thanks. And it was just, like, holding a 6-pack of my cards outside. I look, 16 now?
Yeah.
Right? So I probably looked like I was
12.
13.
You looked 12 back then.
Yeah, they were probably like, why is that young boy getting into the car in the driver's seat? And why is he holding my tire? Yeah. But anyway, So we came over my house and we went into a tent. My mom was like, "Why don't you just sleep? Why don't you just sleep indoors?" I'm like, because it has to be outside. I mean, we're camping. It's our last hurrah until we go to college because we went to college separate places.
So then we had a 6-pack of Mike's Hard Lemonade, and we decided we were gonna sleep over at Jackie's house in a tent in the backyard. And so we went into this tent, and we realized we didn't have a lot of alcohol. We had a 6-pack of Mike's Hard split between the both of us.
Which was what, like 5% alcohol?
Yeah, probably 5% at the most.
Still could probably get me drunk.
Yep. Yeah, I get drunk off 3 Mike's Hard.
Oh hell yeah.
And we were like, we need to drink these quickly. So we put on an episode of Hannah Montana. Again, we were 18 years old. I'm gonna use my contour. And we chugged those things down, and I thought I was gonna vomit.
I told them that story, and my parents have no recollection of that night. I was like,
that's good.
I was like, we were drunk, and they were like, really? And I was like, yeah.
Thank God.
I was like, Galen had no pants. How did you not realize? They're like, I don't know. Really look.
Typical.
And so, anyway, after a night full of regret,
we thought we were gonna get in so much trouble.
We woke up in the morning and I was pissed, and I was like, we need to hide the bottles. So I had you grab my Hollister backpack and put them in her truck bed, like so secretly. I was like, here. And
yeah, weren't your parents home?
Yeah, I don't know how we did that.
I don't know how we did that either.
Where were the empty bottles before that? Just in the tent?
We put them
in the pillowcase.
I think we hid him under a blanket or something when your mom came in. She probably heard the clanking. I'm so surprised she didn't know. I feel like we look good in this lighting.
Do we? I can't look. I don't. Wow. See, I thought this would be easy for some reason. Drinking and doing makeup.
I know.
But I keep losing my train of thought.
I know, me too.
I could do this. Dude,
I know, right?
Gray hair. You see it? Do you see it?
Oh my God! Yeah, there's a gray hair. Have you found another one?
I found 3.
I'm different.
I am too.
I think I'm gonna use that.
Can you just do my makeup? Just fix my eyes.
What's wrong with your eyes?
I don't know. Are they okay?
Yeah, I think they look
They
good.
blended
I like
well?
that. What eyeshadow are you using?
Too Faced!
It looks so good.
You need to buy this. I love this.
Oh my God, I have that!
Really?
Yeah!
Dude, so I combined Sugar Walls and Lap Dance.
It looks
and
so
then I
shimmery.
put Volas Bleu on the crease.
I kind of want to use that now.
Do it, we'll match.
Yeah, I have that.
This is the only like somewhat extravagant eyeshadow I have. Like I don't do extravagance, so this is like wow.
Yeah. Oh wow, we still have a lot of that.
Do you ever use lip plumper?
No, but I wanted to try some. Do you have one?
This is lip plumper. Lip gloss.
Do you think it actually works?
No.
I feel like this is more of a buzz makeup tutorial.
I know. You wanna get drunk?
Yeah. What's that chug this?
To feel
I get chug.
Do a swiggy swig.
Oh.
Go.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I have like a hair in my eye, right? And I can feel it. There it is. Hey.
Got it.
I was like, I see it.
Got it, Curtis.
No, but like since you have like a house.
Died, but
Yeah. So the camera died, but this
we finished our makeup eventually. It's fun.
Do I have a lazy eye?
Dude, do I? When I look up, I definitely
Look
do.
at the camera right now.